Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore NUSA DUA area on Pratama Street. In this area there is a lot of company for water sport. Also there is a lot of big hotel side by the beach. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in this area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update NUSA DUA area on Pratama Street. In this area there is a lot of company for water sport. So we will see a little bit how the condition at the moment for water sport business during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. And also on Pratama Street there is a lot of big hotel just side by the beach. Okay guys, now we are in Pratama Street. You see the weather is very beautiful day today. Blue sky and sunny day. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, you see on the street it looks very quiet, isn't it? Usually before the pandemic corona there is a lot of car and bus. They want to go to the water sport company. But today it's very quiet, just no car right here. It's very bad, isn't it? And if you see to the right side, there is a lot of big hotel, and that hotel is connecting by the beach. But expensive hotel for sure. This is Conrad Hotel, right side. But you see, it's so far it's not so many cars, isn't it? Just very quiet. I just see some few motorbike, but not car. Right side also this big hotel. And also in this area just beside the hotel there is a lot of big company for water sport. And at the end of this video I will update the situation on water sport business. I think this will be very quiet because the pandemic impact for business in Bali is very big. So that's why the sector of business just break down at the moment. As I told you, usually in this area before the pandemic corona there is a lot of car and bus drive around and they go to the water sport company. There is a lot of bus because domestic tourism, they come from Java, they bring the bus from there and then go to Bali. They go to this area to the water sport. But today you see it's very quiet, isn't it? It's very bad. And if you ever been this area before, that's for sure you will feel stranger because it's very empty on the street. So we hope together this pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible to help all the people who get the impact of this corona. And for Bali, I'm gonna say like around 90% people get the impact of this corona on the business breakdown. That because we work in tourism business. You see on the road, it's really empty. It's very bad, isn't it? Just very quiet. Okay, so far in the right side there is a lot of hotel and the left side there is a lot bar and restaurant. And on this video I make video around 7 minutes without skip. So it's a real condition at the moment on Pratama Street, NUSA DUA Bali. Big hotel right side, I see some car parking there. I'm really happy to see that. I think some people stay there at the moment. if you see the weather, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear. Just so beautiful to go to the beach actually. Actually, I'm a tour driver in Bali, so I know about this area. Usually, very busy, sometimes traffic jam. But today, it's very bad, isn't it? It's very empty, there's no people there, just no car. I think there is the motorbike driver on. That is who local people live in this area. You see on the road, how quiet it is. Just nothing on the road. It looks very empty. It's very sad for Bali. As I told you, because this pandemic corona, the business is broke down around 90% for Bali. Okay, you see the gate at the front? It is the gate in to go to Tanjung Benoa. And now we are in Tanjung Benoa area. And around this area, in the right side, there is a lot of local company for water sport. As I told you, the left side, there is actually the big parking for the bus who come to this area to do water sport, but I don't know why they closed now. Right side, there's the big company for water sport, but looks so quiet. Water sport company right side also, it's very empty. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Pratama Street during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown in Bali on 30 August 2021. And as I told you, at the end of this video, I will show you how the condition at the moment for water sport business. So keep stay in touch until the end of this video. Along the street in the right side, there is a lot of company for water sport. But because the emergency lockdown for Bali, they are closed. There's the hotel, empty. And there's the parking for water sport company, also empty. It's very bad, isn't it? Also quiet there. Okay, when you see on the video, they just planning to fly parceling adventure because this company is still closed because emergency lockdown. You see, load the board, they stop, no activity. It's very sad, isn't it? And this another company also closed. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment for water sport business in Tanjung Benoa Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.